Hello guys, good morning. From yesterday, when I signed up for the IP cloud mining, right? Yes, I did a deposit of $200 for the staking and $100 for the mining. And as you can see this morning, it has mined for me and it gave me 127.9 IPC, which is equivalent to $40 US $40, right? So it's left for me now to swap this cash and convert it to uh, to USDT, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to here and swap and see how is it. Okay, so I'll change to I put IPC, yeah, and USDT, right? Yes, so I will type 127.9, yeah, which is 39.9 USDT. Okay, yeah, so I'll just okay, and I'll confirm my transaction password. Yeah, it has been successful. So as you can see, I've not swapped it now to $39 worth of USDT. So I can now withdraw the USDT as well and send it to my Binance. So by doing this every day, this is how I'm going to do it every right. So now let me go send to my Binance wallet now. All right, so this is my Binance wallet. You can see that there was a deposit of 19 US dollars some minutes ago. The one I received, the one I did yesterday, it has come. So I'll go to spot, right? Then I'll go to deposit. Right, so I'll click on the USDT and click BP20 and I'll copy the address. Yeah, then I'll come here and I'll click here. I'll click withdraw BP20, put the wallet address, and I'll paste. All right, so the total, I'll go put all of the USDT. Yeah, which is going to be this. Then I'll click withdraw. Yeah, yeah. So okay, so I've submitted and it has been successful. So when I get it in my Binance wallet, I'll get back to you, right? Yeah. So this is how we do the transaction on a daily basis, right? So you can see that my IPC has gone back to 0. So tomorrow I'm going to mine the same and I'll see what I'll get, right? Yeah. So this is how I'm going to get the money, my money from IP Cloud gradually. So so if I increase my deposit, that is a risk I'm going to take. If I increase my deposit, I'm going to be withdrawing something big every day from it. Okay, so that is it. So thank you for following.